Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Multivan. Style: this vehicle comes in the metallic paint colour Reflex Silver and features a 2.0 TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 brake horsepower. The vehicle also comes fitted with a 7-speed DSG Automatic gearbox. Across the front of the vehicle, this multivan features the IQ lights, which are matrix LED headlights. The vehicle also comes with front parking sensors and sits on the 19-inch Hamstadt black alloy wheels in a two-tone colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle, there is a rear roof spoiler-like design, and the vehicle comes fitted with a rear view camera system, which is located just above the rear number plate. This, paired with the rear parking sensors, helps you make every parking maneuver with confidence. This multivan also comes with a powered tailgate, which can be operated from the key fob, allowing for a more hands-free option. This is useful when loading up luggage. In the back of the multivan, there is a spacious size load area or boot space with a few lashing points as well as a parcel shelf. Taking a look into the side of the vehicle, to the rear there is a 3-seater passenger bench with individual seats, 2 single seats in the middle. They have access to 2 foldable tables, and moving up front to the driver's cab, again 2 single seats, both with 2 armrests apiece. The van comes with some excellent creature comforts such as front heated seats, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.